When you hit your 40s, you might feel like your body has changed, almost overnight. Suddenly, the methods that used to work for weight loss don't seem as effective. Sound familiar? If you're here, it's likely because you're ready to try a new approach, one that truly respects and works with your body. And you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the exact steps women over 40 need to break through weight loss plateaus and achieve sustainable, lasting results. Stick with me to the end because each step builds on the last, and by the end, you'll have a complete toolkit for success. So let's get started. Step 1. Track your water intake. Hydration is one of the most underestimated weight loss tools. It sounds simple, but the science is real. Staying hydrated can speed up your metabolism, control hunger, and even impact energy levels. Here's how it works. When you drink water, especially mineralized water, it helps to balance electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals play a huge role in how well your cells function, and without enough of them, your body can feel sluggish, or worse, it can actually mistake dehydration for hunger. Start your day with a big glass of water. About 25 ounces is ideal. Some people find that adding a little mineralized salt or using sparkling water helps them feel full, giving them energy without food. Then, aim to drink another 25 ounces mid-morning, mid-afternoon, and in the evening. By spacing it out, you'll keep your hydration levels consistent, which supports your digestion, energy levels, and metabolism. Don't underestimate the importance of this first step. Many women find that just increasing their water intake gives them the boost they need to break through that first weight loss plateau. Step 2. Examine what you're consuming, inside and out. Weight loss isn't just about food, it's about what you're putting in and on your body. The average woman over 40 uses dozens of products daily: skincare, hair care, makeup, and more. Many of these products contain allergens, chemicals, and hormones that can interfere with your body's natural processes. Take soy, for example. Even if you're not actively consuming soy foods, you might be exposed to soy derivatives in everything from cosmetics to supplements. This can impact your body's hormonal balance and make weight loss difficult. Spend a few days inspecting ingredient labels, not just on food, but on every product you use. If you find allergens or ingredients you know don't agree with you, try swapping them out for a week and see if your body feels lighter, less inflamed, or more energetic. This small step can often make a big impact. Step 3. Identify your food triggers. Food is one of the most common solutions for stress and emotional upheaval. If you find yourself reaching for snacks when you're bored, sad, or stressed, you're not alone. But recognizing this pattern is the first step to changing it. Instead of turning to food, try incorporating a set period of fasting into your routine. This gives you a clear boundary and helps you recognize when you're actually hungry versus when you're just craving comfort. In the ShapioX community, we often use mantras like, "Hungry is where the magic happens." This phrase serves as a reminder to lean into those hunger pangs, as they're often a sign your body is about to shift gears and tap into fat stores for energy. Try saying, "When in doubt, fast it out." This small mantra can remind you to stick with your fasting window and avoid unnecessary snacking. Step 4. Prioritize rest over intense exercise. If you're used to hitting the gym hard, this step might seem, well, a bit counterintuitive. But many women over 40 find that intense workouts can actually contribute to weight gain or stubborn weight retention. Here's why. Strenuous exercise raises cortisol, which is a stress hormone. When cortisol is high, your body can respond by storing more fat, particularly around your midsection. Instead of intense cardio or heavy weightlifting, try focusing on gentle, restorative movements like yoga, stretching, or leisurely walks. This doesn't mean becoming sedentary. Keeping the body moving is still important, but stepping back from intense exercise for a while can allow your body to reset. After a few weeks, you may notice that you feel more balanced, energetic, and even lighter without the extra physical strain. Once your hormones and metabolism are more balanced, you can start reintroducing moderate exercise, but try to keep it balanced. Avoid overdoing it, and pay attention to how your body responds. The idea is to work with your body, not against it. Step 5. Transition from a diet mindset to a lifestyle mindset. Say goodbye to dieting. After all, how many diets have you tried by now? Diets tend to be temporary fixes, and they often set you up for yo-yo weight loss and gain. Instead, focus on building a lifestyle around sustainable eating patterns. One of the best ways to do this is through intermittent fasting, where you fast for 20 hours and eat during a 4-hour window. Before we dive into the next steps, I want you to take a moment to check the video description below. You'll find free resources specifically created for you to support and empower you on your weight loss journey as a woman. From nutrition guides to habit trackers, everything there is designed with women's needs in mind to help make each of these steps easier and more effective. Go ahead and take a look. You deserve the best tools on your path to feeling and looking your best. Make sure to download what you need. All right, let's get back to the video. This approach lets you focus on nourishing your body without constantly counting calories or stressing about every bite. With a 20-hour fast, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it starts burning fat for energy rather than relying on glucose from carbs. This shift can be incredibly empowering as it teaches your body to use its own fat stores as fuel, a tool you can rely on without restrictive diets or endless calorie counting. This isn't about short-term fixes. Instead, it's about creating a long-term habit that lets you lose weight, maintain it, and live more freely. This small change can make a huge difference over time, and many women find they feel more energetic and in control when following this method. Step 6. Balance your macronutrients for hormonal health. Hormones play a major role in how our bodies respond to food, exercise, and stress, especially over 40. One of the keys to balancing your hormones is ensuring you're getting the right mix of macronutrients, proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. For example, too many refined carbs can lead to blood sugar spikes, which increase insulin, a hormone that can promote fat storage. Start by making simple adjustments. Swap refined grains for whole ones, incorporate lean proteins like chicken, fish, and plant-based sources, and make sure you're getting enough healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Eating balanced meals helps stabilize your blood sugar, keeps your metabolism steady, and supports a stable weight. If you've never tracked your macronutrients before, consider using an app just for a few days. This exercise can be eye-opening and help you see if there's a gap in your intake that could be causing energy crashes, cravings, or hormonal imbalance. Step 7. Embrace the power of a growth mindset. Now let's talk about mindset, because no weight loss journey is complete without it. A growth mindset means viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, you begin to see them as a natural part of the journey. For women over 40, this can mean learning to appreciate the body you're in right now and acknowledging the incredible things it can still achieve. Shift your perspective from "I need to lose weight" to "I deserve to feel healthy and empowered." This mindset shift helps you make sustainable choices, stay motivated, and bounce back from setbacks. You're not just chasing a number on the scale. You're building a better, healthier version of yourself. So, to recap, start with hydration, examine what you're consuming, identify and replace food triggers. Prioritize gentle movement shift from dieting to lifestyle changes. Balance your macros for hormonal health, and adopt a growth mindset. Every small choice you make matters. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about creating a path that honors your body, respects your journey, and helps you feel your best at every stage of life. Each of these steps works together, and by integrating them all, you'll begin to notice positive changes. If today's video resonated with you, be sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest tips and insights on living a healthier, happier life. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Let us know which step you're most excited to try first. Share this with friends who might benefit, and keep coming back to track your progress. Remember, you're building a new lifestyle, and the results are well worth the journey. Here's to becoming the strongest, healthiest version of yourself, starting today.